Good afternoon, children. Today we can study about the different types of angles. Different types of angles. Look here, which are the different types of angles? That is right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, and straight angle. Which are they? Number 1, right angle. Number 2, acute angle. Number 3, obtuse angle, reflex angle, and straight angle. This right angle, first one is the right angle, that is 90-degree angle. Yes, look here. This one is the 90-degree angle, right angle. That is 90-degree angle, that is right angle triangle. And acute angle means that is below 90 degree. Yes, here 90 degree and here means 80 degree, 70 degree, 60 degree, 50 degree and here 0 degree. This one is the 0 degree angle. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, that is 90 degree angle. So this 90 degree angle means this one is the 90 degree angle, that is right angle. That is right angle. And below 90 degree, this one is the 70 degree angle. So that 70 degree angle means that is below 90 degree, that is acute angle. That is acute angle. And more than 90 degree, more than 90 degree means that is here 100, 110, 120 likewise. So 120, if we take 120, so this 120 means that is more than 90 degree angle. So that more than 90 degree angle, that is obtuse angle. That is obtuse angle. So right angle, that is 90 degree angle. Below 90 degree angle, that is acute angle. And more than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle. And here, look here. So 0 degree starting from here. This one is the 0 degree. And here 90 degree. And here 180 degree. So from 0 to 180, this straight line, this one is the 180 degree angle. This one is the 180 degree angle. And if we take years more than 180 degree means here 190, 120, 200, 220, 230, 240 likewise up to 360. 360 degree means from 0 to 180 degree, 180 degree to that is 360 degree, that is one revolution, complete revolution, complete angle, complete revolution, that is 360 degree angle. So 90 degree angle, that is 90 degree angle, that is right angle, 90 degree, this one is the right angle. And below 90 degree, that is an acute angle. This one is an acute angle. And more than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle. That is obtuse angle. And if this one, yes, this one is more than 180 degree, more than this portion is more than 180 degree, because this complete revolution means that is 360 degree. 360 degree. In this 360 degree here 140 degree. So this one is the 140 degree. 360 minus 140 degree, what is that? 0 to 1. Yes, 220 degree. This one is the 220 degree. This 220 degree means that is more than 180 degree. So that more than 180 degree, that is a reflex angle. That is a reflex angle. So 90 degree angle, that is right angle. Below 90 degree angle, that is acute angle. More than 90 degree angle, that is obtuse angle. And 180 degree, that is straight angle. More than 180 degree and below 360 degree, that is a reflex angle. And 360 degree angle means that is a one revolution or complete revolution. So that is a 360 degree angle. The next one, triangles. That is triangle means that is a three-sided polygon. Triangle. That is triangle means that is a three-sided polygon. Polygon means what is polygon, children? Polygon means that is a figure made by line segments. So that is a polygon. That is made by line segments. Here triangle means that is a three-sided polygon. That is a three-sided polygon. That three sides are made by line segments. So that is a three-sided polygon. Okay. That is triangle. In this triangle, we can study different types of triangles. Which are there? Different sides of triangle. Triangles based on sides. First, we can take it triangles based on sides. Yes, look here. This one is a triangle. This one is the triangle. Here in this triangle, this one is 3 centimeter, and here this one is 4 centimeter, and this one is 6 centimeter. Look here, the sides of the triangle. One side is 3 centimeter, and here next 4 centimeter, and this side is 6 centimeter. So all sides are different. All sides are different, isn't it? Because one is 3, and next one is 6 centimeters. So all sides are different sides, not equal. This is unequal sides of this triangle. This triangle we can call it as scalene triangle. That is scalene triangle. 3 different sides. The sides of this triangle is different. So we can call it as scalene triangle. This one is the scalene triangle. 3 sides are unequal. And next one, 3 sides are unequal, then we can call it that scalene triangle. And if 2 sides are equal, that is 3 centimeter, and this one is 2 centimeter. Look here. These 2 sides are equal, isn't it? Both sides are equal and one side is different. So that 2 sides are equal. Such type of triangles we can call it as isosceles triangle. What is that? That is isosceles triangle. If 2 sides are equal and one side is different, if 2 sides are equal, then we can call it as, that is isosceles triangle. So second one is isosceles triangle. And third one, if 3 sides are equal, look here, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, all sides are equal. So we can call it this as equilateral triangle. That is equilateral triangle. So 3 types of triangles based on the base of sides, or according to the sides we can call it these 3 sides of triangles. One is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all sides are different sides. And if 2 sides are equal, that triangle we can call it as isosceles triangle. And if 3 sides are equal, that triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay. Then second one, triangles based on angles. Triangles based on angles. Yes, this one is one triangle. In this triangle, what is the angle, children? You can look here. This one is the right angle triangle, 90-degree angle, isn't it? So this one is the right angle. So this triangle we can call it as right angled triangle. This one is the right angled triangle. And this one is right angled triangle. And another triangle, yes, look here. Yes, this one. What is this? This one is the acute angle triangle, isn't it? This one is this angle is acute angled triangle. So this angle we can call it as acute angled triangle. This one is the acute angled triangle. And third one, look here. What type of triangle is this? Or what type of angle is this? Obtuse angle, isn't it? This one is more than 90 degree here, 90 degree. This one is the more than 90 degree angle. So this one is the obtuse angled triangle. So obtuse angled triangle. So angles are based on the sides and angles are based on the angles. Based on the sides, that is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. 3 angles. And according to the angles, that is right angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle and acute angled triangle. Okay. Then look here children. Yes. 4, 3, 7. Yes, all of you look here children. This one is a figure. This one is a figure of triangle. And yes, look here. In 2 ways you can observe this triangle. One is on the basis of the sides and another one is on the basis of angles. Then what type of triangle is this one? Look here. Then according to the angle, this one is an obtuse angle, isn't it? This one is more than 90 degrees. So this one is the obtuse angled triangle. And what about the sides, children? Sides means that is different sides, isn't it? So that is an scalene triangle. So we can call it this triangle as obtuse angled and scalene triangle. And obtuse angle or obtuse angled and scalene triangle. Okay? Did you understand? So you have to check it on the basis of the angles and on the basis of the sides also. Okay? Then look here. Yes. Look here children. This one is 2, 2 and this one is 3. 3, 3 and 2. Yes. What type of triangle is this one? Yes. Look here. According to the sides, this one is the isosceles triangle, isn't it? Because 2 sides are equal. 2 sides are equal means that is an isosceles triangle. And what is the angle? Which type of angle is here? You can see that is an acute angle, isn't it? So this one is the acute angled and isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, so you have to check it which type of angle and which type of side and what about the sides, and according to that you have to give the name for that triangles. Okay children, so everyone want to study this what are the types of angles, which are the types of angles, and 5 types of straight angle, right angle, reflex angle, acute angle, obtuse angles, and what are the different types of triangles, that is on the basis of the sides, that is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and on the basis of the angles, that is right angled, obtuse angled and acute angle triangle. This you have to study well and practice it children. Okay, bye children.